I'm going to show you how to enable CarPlay in any car. Hello and welcome to Accent on Cars. Many cars, new and old, do not come with Apple and Android CarPlay. And luckily, thanks to technology, there is a way to enable CarPlay in any car. And I'm going to show you the easiest way without any installation, modifications, running wirings, etc. There are many choices on the market, but many of them require professional installation, disassembling the head unit, plugging into the wires, etc. That's a complex project that's not an easy for most people. But luckily, there are companies such as Carpuride which help you to enable CarPlay in any car without any modifications. And today I'm gonna show you all of its features, all of its advantages and shortcomings. Carpuride is one of the leading manufacturers of the head units for your car. This particular one I got is a 7-inch screen, but they make many models for pretty much any car. You can go to their website, check their website for the right head unit for your car, and the prices vary depending on the model which you choose. The head unit comes in a nice package with nice instructions inside, and it has many mounting brackets depending on which style you want. So this one is for the windshield. This bracket goes into the CD changer just like this, and then you can have your Carpuride attached to it. What I've done is I basically put a double-sided 3M tape on both sides, and I will just stick it to the screen. So I just glue to my factory screen just like this. What I love the most is that it comes with like 3.5 millimeter jack cable, which lets me stream music through the factory speakers. I'll show you more in a second. Let's take a look at the CarPlay device itself. It's already connected to my phone. The installation and connection is very easy. You basically turn on your Bluetooth and add the device, and that's it. It's an Android head unit powered by a 12-volt socket which goes into the cigarette lighter. It's relatively fast to come on when you turn it on. Most head units are very slow. So let me demonstrate some of the features. So right now I'm connected to my phone, and as you can see, CarPlay is already enabled. Now I'm in the Waze, so I can use Waze or like Google Maps as a navigation. I can access Google Music if I want. I can make phone calls or respond to phone calls from here. On the home screen, it's very familiar if you've ever used iPad or any Android device, so it will feel very familiar to you. You can see CarPlay, Android Auto is available as an option. Spotify, YouTube, and many other applications come standard loaded already. But you can click on the app list if you want, and you can install more applications from Google Play Market. Comes with built-in memory, but you can also insert a flash card, USB card, memory card in it to extend the memory, to upload your pictures, to upload your videos, etc. You can even browse from this home screen. Basically, it's a tablet, right? So one of the advantages of this device versus many others on the market is that it automatically connects to your phone. Many devices will lose connection. That's not an issue here. You get in the car, you turn on your car, it's automatically connected to your phone. You don't have to go through a Bluetooth screen each time to enable it. So just like in any Android device, if you click on this button over here, you can see all the applications you have opened previously, and you can close them by swiping left and right. The device comes with a protective screen like this, which I've removed, and there is a little bit glue here, so I just need to wipe it off. That's not a glitch on the screen. Pretty much all of their devices can be used as a camera or dash cam. They sell like additional cameras, or they have like head units that do come with forward and rear facing cameras, and you can use them for taking pictures or as a dash cam in your car, which is great. Like I said earlier, I love that this device comes with 3.5 millimeter jack. So let me show you how to connect it to your head unit. So in my car, the auxiliary 3.5 is in the glove box, so one end of the cable goes in there. So just like this, I think it's like pretty clean look in here. You can see just the cable extends from the back of it into my glove box, and that's it. And now if I'm in YouTube Music, or you could be in Spotify, and if I click on the play button, it will play the song through the speakers. I'm not gonna turn that on right now, so the YouTube does not mute my video over copyright issues, but it's possible. And obviously you can control YouTube Music either through the application here, you can scroll up and down, or you can control it from your phone screen, whatever is the easiest. Or you can, and then while the music is playing in the background, you can go back to your navigation by clicking on the Waze icon. There's a little bit of a delay. It's not as fast as your iPad, but it's rather quick to respond, which I appreciate. If you do not want to have a CarPlay, all you are looking for is Bluetooth through audio in your older car. I have a video showing you how to do that. Link to that video is going to be down in the description. This is really nice, and I really recommend this product to you guys if you are looking for low-key, easy installation method to enable CarPlay in your car.